Okay, Dave Morris again. We're going to continue on with our color space technical videos. So somebody posted yesterday about screens. So let's discuss the color you see on your screen. So from the first video, volume 1, we picked a color space that we would like your images to be in, which is ProPhoto RGB, which is a very big color space. It contains a lot of information. And then going to the question, which was screens. So let's just hold this here for comparison, and we'll go to the Apple screen, which is actually a very, very high res screen, lots of color space. And let's just click on that, and there you go. So this brings up the dilemma. If I have that much color in my photograph, but my screen only shows me this much color, what's the point of having that much color? Well, as screens get better, and in particular what we're waiting for is printers. Printers are getting better. You'll be able to print more color. But right now, no, in your screen you can't see it. There's no question about that. So what they did say is sRGB. And sRGB, even though I was so hard on it in volume 1, yes, sRGB does have actually very good a very good place in the world. For example, if you are doing web-only images, or if you know your images will only ever be displayed on a screen. So if you've got a picture, the new picture screens, electronic picture screens, picture frames. Fine, if it's going to stay on your computer, and certainly if it's going to be web. So if you're going to put it in your website, etc., you do want to use sRGB. So let's just hold sRGB, go back down to our screen, and you'll see why when we do this. See how similar the color space is? It's almost exact. sRGB picks up a little bit. The white area here is the color space that sRGB has that even a fairly good screen, an Apple screen, doesn't have. So that's why if you want to use images for web, or if they're going to stay on your computer, or you're going to use the new electronic picture frame, sRGB is a great color space. It's going to represent your colors properly. And you won't have funky colors showing up on your website. So there's just a volume 2 on color space. We're going to do more on printing later, because that's where it really starts to show its head as far as color space and what you want to do with it. Till then, though, Dave Morris, morrisstudios.ca. Definitely encourage you to go to the website and even listen to some of the podcasts. We've got a whole series of podcasts that are running now, so have a look there. And again, that's morrisstudios.ca.